Ka jinge kendu jongki regional committee na ki arteli ki jela ka rilum jentia na Meghalaya bat ka Karbi Anglong na Assam. Hadin gede ki jinge lang gila pentip bakin sa IT no hapo obanai nailar ya ka kaipot jong ka jinge keran penbejput jong ka psiar khanduli bat ka blok 1. Ka ne garai kalami na ki jinge lang ka banengkong jongki regional committee jongki arteli ki jela yek bala penlong mentakasngi Hastit Convention Center hanong ba Shalong. Kini arteli regional committee ha kajinga thir ke thain mentak sngi kila simru ye karai bat kumjuru kajinga manjur ban penlong da kajinga le jurip lang syagiti ki jaka rangkat bat ki menteri rang ba jong kini arteli ki jela Assam bat ke jela Meghalaya ya ke baon penlong ha kate ba khadu jong pana jeleu ha ba kran ha kinong thok khobor uba singa bahlang dhar ulong ba ha kajinga lang larai ba ngin salej ban jurip lang ya ki jaka ki baya kaja bat ye kendu ya ki nong shenong ha ka ba on skap ya ke ba ki ba ki don ban pan sngau ngin penbet ya kene kam da kajinga sung tho jung lang nambar arteli jela u sembut menteri ramba ka jela uba singa bahlang dhar ula pentip ru ba ki regional committee ken sedang no ya ka kam ban wat ya ki lat kilenti kumno ban la ban penbet no ya kajinga kaja kaput nalor gane uba singa bahlang ula pentip ru bagi arteli border committee kimpat syam larai AARM halor ka give and take policy halor ka jingdawa jongki laipo henru teli kisnong ha blok 1 ban pentikna bakinwan phai biang sejela Meghalaya usembut menteri rangba ulong bangi klempat penpau AA halor kene ki laipo bat saupau teli kisnong namar ngimpat sedang setia ya ke jingjurip lese kene kan sami ha ke jingelang ka banwan namar baga khanduli ka khamper ngin pechwan nengkong yau so obala hap hapo kini ki regional committee klarai bansai kendo biang hau banai banwan.
So today is the first meeting of both the regional committee from Assam side and Meghalaya side. Today is the first meeting, so at least we have the opportunity to introduce each other, all the members, and we had decided the meeting also. So we'll start working out all the formula now about this second phase of border issue. So in the days to come, so the respective member of the committee side will start going to the side of the field and will come with the report in few months or few weeks.
So
this one is a desire to reduce, so we will wait the time from them.
what about at the level of the regional committees?
The regional committee will, because our target is to submit the report to the state government by August. So maybe in last week of this month, July, we have to visit.
More than 31 villages under Block 1.
We didn't mention anything about 30, 40 villages, so now the exercise is yet to start. So maybe we'll come the actual figure in this.
What would be your approach in the areas?
No, the approach is that to solve the border issues. That is the main.
Give and take, achieve this approach.
No, we haven't decided give and take. We haven't decided. So let us go to the field and all the local amicably. Yeah, we will listen from them and everything will be solved amicably from both. So we will try to see first the low-hanging fruit. That is the main need now, I think.